Attractive, ergonomic design. Positive click action for precise trim tab adjustment. Economical and easy installation. Refer to manufacturer recommendations and guidelines to ensure a proper fit. Fit type. Universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Works as it should. I installed the switch yesterday and just wanted to advise anyone installing one, don't try to use the included screws drilling the recommended hole size. You will crack the fiberglass. I had to go up 2 drill sizes, and even then still had slight cracking. Luckily the case covered the cracks, so it wasn't an issue. Unless they eventually travel. Other than that, it was an easy installation, and the 2.5 hole, made with a hole saw, worked perfectly.